Yeah, can you say 3 tickets, please?
Ride train.
Ride train.
Ride train.
Yeah, we gotta go buy our tickets.
Oh,
Cool.
Come on, honey. Alright, thank you guys.
go.
Yeah,
We're gonna go.
Go.
You excited?
Go.
Yeah, he's just getting everyone's tickets and then we go.
Pretty cool, huh?
So neat.
Oh, all aboard, Mr. Man. Oh, here we go.
Going.
We're on the train. Oh, awesome.
Whistle over there. That's awesome. Wow. This is fun.
We're gonna go through a tunnel.
Cool. You see the tunnel up here? We're going to go in that.
Choo-choo.
Here we go in the tunnel. You did it. We went through the tunnel. Fun. Excavator.
Woohoo! Is this awesome?
Yay!
You're riding the train.
This is
fun. Do you like it?
Like it.
Oh, we're gonna go past the crossing.
Good job.
That was a tricky one.
That is.
Here, you want me to hold these?
Great.
Good job, Bubba.
Here, hold Mama hand.
Oh.
Should we ring this one?
Go to my great man.
Okay, let's go see them. They're over here, Calvin.
This way, honey.
Oh, come here. Let's go look at them.
Oh,
Yellow train and white train.
Oh, cool.
Oh, cool.
How neat.
Here, you can get a little bit closer to him if you want.
did you say so neat?
He did. So neat.
Awesome.
Pull it. Pull it down. Good job. You can do it again. Choo choo. Should we go so we can go on the train?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Mama carry you so we can get
yeah.
back in time.
Oh yeah.
Are you having a lot of fun?
I have a friend.
What are you doing? Are you riding on the train?
I have a friend.
Is it awesome?
Awesome.
Yeah. Is Mama having fun?
So much fun. I like it.
Do you like it?
I like it.
Yeah. Here we go.
Here we go.
Did you have so much fun riding the train? Did you have fun?
Was it in a tunnel?
Yeah, it was fun in the tunnel. Now what are we gonna do? Are we gonna go get
Ice cream.
ice cream? Hooray!
What a good day.
Good day. Oh. All right, let's go get some ice cream.